blend it nicely, so do not afraid of to blend it because it really thick density. And I am going to using a no wipe top coat. This no wipe top coat and condensed glue gels together will help grab all the charm chains and crystals flat back to a 3D, stay nice place. Okay. Let's do pick a little seahorse there. She's so adorable. Let's get her right there. I just didn't drop it the way I want it. There you go. She's like, hey, I'm flying off now. No, not yet. You have to wait for us. So for beginners or you start playing with crystal placement, I would do one main crystals, and then you start this shell right there. I'm using a mix colors from our anniversary mix anniversary kit. There's so many colors. I like it. Oh, I love this. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna do some cool things. I'm gonna do it again. We do have a lot of clients it's okay, it's gonna change it anyway. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial again. Sorry it was like 60 minutes I guess, so that's why I say hello Nancy and your ladies. We're gonna see you right back. Thanks so much for the love and support, and I hope this video will be really helpful in like one way or another way, so whatever ways it works. Hope you really enjoying it, learn something new every time. Hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So I'm gonna do like have a cascade down, and you will never go wrong with this because look at that. We did it just like a theme. What is that? The ocean theme. Because it's beautiful under. Like I don't know how I can able to get like under the water. Be honest. Okay, because I do not know how to swim. I almost drowned myself when I went to the water parks. If I'm telling that story, you're gonna laugh at me so hard, but it happened to me last year. But I only love to see like watching all the aquariums, and then even you watching all the documentary about beautiful how that on like the bottom of the ocean is beautiful. So it's come with a lot of different colors, doesn't have to be necessarily one color. So that is what my imaginate. Okay, Looks beautiful even without the beads. I know Instagram, Facebook, can you see me? Cute little seahorse. We have only one of her and we have seashells. All cool thing. All right, let me see my lady. What did they say? Did anyone say anything? Let me, okay. I'm already. Hey, thank you, Foxy. Hope you like it. Like, you don't necessarily need to get a beads on. And but I want to have the beads on because to give it more like dimensional look.
And when you add pearl.
Huh?
You know, when you add pearl.
Pearl?
Like this.
No, I have a smaller pearl on the other one. But it looks cool, right? Maybe the pearls inside here. Or maybe next time we should make the ones with the pearls and the pearls. So beautiful. If you like it, we will clear this one and precision glue this. You know, when you're doing this dramatic like this, I would really precision glue it because it will be your best friends and you'll be so much happier and your clients going to be so much happier at this. So gorgeous. Okay, I am going to cure for 60 seconds and make sure all of this not going to hang off my frame of the nails. Okay, let me. Hi Nuna, thanks so much for coming back. Thanks so much, my Randy. Let me see my Randy 02. Okay, my Randy, we couldn't find you every time I trying to see. Hey Mika, hi Mary Cave Creation. We are at the number 2. We did like liquid and powders, glitter, encapsulate, and then now we're going to the really cool parts with crystal placements for 4 nails. We did 2 nails already, so we're gonna do another 2 nails, and this is 2 nails we're gonna do designs on. And I need the kits again, so I am going to pick for that nails, what shape would you like to see? Because I can do anything. Can you move this one?
Yeah, let's start there.
Alright, so this one temporary now. We'll leave the kits here. It kits back to us now because we say bye to it earlier, but we're gonna need this back so then we can pick the shape. I am going to using precision glue now. Sonia, hello, how are you? Okay, so I am going to using the precision glue and I'm gonna check first before I will fill in or squeeze anything else because you don't want to overflow the surface of the crystal because it's gonna destroy the cut and the shape and the size of it. So I usually doing an exam first, and then when I feel scratchy, then that's how that's the where the spot I will fill in. So each time I fill there's just a little bit, so you don't need a whole lot. Just right here. Make sure you check it because they will, you know, if we don't, then it might catching on the client's hair or their clothes. So before I cure it, I am going to using a twin tip brush. and blend this one nicely. Move this one. I think I have one of these nails that I wearing it before, similar. Great. So now we gonna cure it for 60 seconds to make sure it's clear completely.